Hi there. I just got done recording this video and then the microphone did not pick up any sound. So, this is a Taiwan Sourcing box. This is a letter from Simon, and this is a sample of nectarine. And it weighs 12.5 grams, so about 10 grams. 150 grams of Master Spring. 75 grams of Dongding, competition grade. To go along with all of the Dongding that I just finished drinking with Everest on my stream tonight. 4 different kinds, blind boxed. The reveal happens tomorrow, but we already have our guesses. I have so much Dongding. We also have here 2 different roasts of Amber Magpie. Two different years processing of Red Lion, Ruby 18. And 3 seasons, 3 years of Overlord. Like a Hydra. And that's it. I ordered this as part of the Yunnan Sourcing 15% off sale. I've never seen a sale for Taiwan Sourcing, but I'm very pleased, and I expected it to take 12 to 20 days to ship, and it took 4. In fact, it came over the weekend, and I didn't even get it then because I wasn't home all day. I had to get it today after work from the post office. So, looking forward to trying these teas in a couple of days, maybe. Give them some goes and either record videos or stream them one way or the other. You will get a chance to see me drink some of these. Alright, that's all I got tonight. Have a good night.